Hi everyone, I am Yamini, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Welcome to the session on object-oriented programming using Java. In this video, we will discuss on important concepts in Java programming called methods. Methods are one of the most core building block of Java program. They help programs organize code differentially and make program easier to understand and maintain. In this session, we will explore what methods are important, how they work in Java, and how they are used in real world programming scenario. We will also look at examples such as an ATM banking system to understand the concept better. End of this video, you will clearly understand how methods improve a modularity, code reuse, and program structure in Java application. Let us begin by recalling the basic idea for methods. Next one, what is method? Let us recall a method for a method in Java is the block of code designed to perform a specific task. Instead of writing a same code repeatedly, program can define a method once and use it multiple times whenever required. This helps in reducing a code default and improving a reusability. Next one, methods. In a method concept, that is extremely useful when solving a complex problem. A large program can be divided into smaller sections and each section can be implemented using a method. There are three major benefits of Java method. First one, it is a reusability. Once a method is written, it can be reused multiple times in a program. Second one, modularity. Method allows you to break a large program into a smaller manageable part. In third one, it is a parameter and return value. Method can receive input value called parameter and may return an output value for after processing. Before, one of the advantage methods are widely used in almost every Java application. Next one, real world example in ATM system. In a real world example in an ATM system, to better understanding the method, let us consider a real world example of an ATM banking system. When a user interact with an ATM machine, several operations takes place step by step. First one, the user insert a ATM card. These operations can be represented by the method called insert card function. Next one, the user enter the pin for authentication. This can be implemented using the method enter pin function. After authentication, the user may check their account balance using check balance function. If the user wants to withdraw a money, the system execute the method withdraw cash function. Once the interaction is completed, automatically the ATM prints a receipt using a print a receipt function, and finally the card is written using a reject card function. That is next one. Such of these take can be implemented as individual methods. This clearly shows how method help in organizing the program logically step by step. Next one, syntax for methods. In a syntax for methods, now let us look at a basic syntax of the methods in Java. A topic Java method consists of several components. The first is the return type, which specifies the type of value that the method will return. Example, including the integer, double string, or sometime void if the method do not return anything. Second one is the method name, that is which identify the method. The name should be meaningful, show that the purpose of the method is clear. Third one is a parameter, which are important value passed to the method. Then come the method body, which contains the statement or logic that perform that required task. Finally, if the method has the return type other than void, it use the return statement to send the results back to the calling program. Understanding this structure is essential when creating a method in Java. Next one, method with return value. That is, let us now look at a method that return a value. Consider a bank application. Whenever we need to calculate a interest based on the principal amount, interest rate and time. In this example, we define a method called calculate interest. This method takes three parameters: principal, rate and time. Inside the method, the interest is calculated using the formula principal multiplied by the rate multiplied by time divided by the 100. The computed value is stored in a variable called interest. Finally, the method returns the calculated interest value to the program using the return statement. Such methods are very useful when a program needs to compare and result for further processing. Next, method without return value. That is, not all the method return values. Some methods simply perform a action and display important without returning anything. These are called void method. For example, consider a method called print welcome message. This method simply printing a message such as welcome to XYZ bank. Since it does not return any value, it returns type in defined as a void. Void methods are commonly used when a goal is to perform tasks like displaying message, updating records, or executing the operations where no value need to be sent back. Thank you.